All the women making money, throw your hands up with me. All the women making money. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So guys, in today's video, I want to do like an honest review of how much money I make on each of these videos and shorts and even live. I haven't gone live in a while, but I can still show you from what my last live was. Okay. So guys, this is going to be like an honest review of what small YouTubers, make on their channel. Okay. Because I'm like a small channel. We're not one of those big ones yet, not yet. But I will show you guys what we actually get paid for. Okay, before I do that, I want to say a big, big, big thank you to all our returning subscribers who are always like liking our videos, commenting, big up, big up, big up, and thank you guys so much. We love you and we appreciate you. And of course, we welcome new subscribers always, okay, to join our family. Come on, you are welcome. So let's get into it, okay?
So this is my channel. One of the video that we have out there that is getting a lot of view is this one that I have right here, Jamaicans Leaving Canada. I'm gonna go ahead and press on it, and you can see we got like 91K view right there, and that gave us like 6.6 watch hours there. We got quite a bit of subscribers there, and you can see the estimated revenue between November and December 8th is 639. Okay, so another video that we have is this one here, Loneliness in Canada, and we got like 32K viewpoint. That, and I'm going to click on that. So the watch time was 1.5K. We got some subscriber, 276, and we made like $181 there. And this is Canadian currency for me, okay? Because I'm in Canada. All right. I'm going to show you guys another video. This one is the Trump promises mass deportation. And here we got like, let's go on it, 6.9K view. Our watch time was 316. We got like 41 subscribers and we made $31 off that one. So I'm going to show you guys for a video that got a lower view like this one that got 1K. Okay. So 1K view, 39.2 watch hours, 9 subscribers. We made $6.61 there. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys for a video that got a lower view. This one here, Canada Post, 120 view. Okay, so 122 view. Watch time, you can see it went down 1 subscriber and only 27 cents. So that one is low. So for my live, this one is like 900, and you can see the estimated revenue is 28 cents. The next one is 3.8K views. Revenue was 57 cents. I'm gonna show you one with a little bit more. This one only $1, and after 4.3K views. And this one even 5.8 4K views, and we still didn't make any money off it. I find like the lives are we don't make much money on the lives. I don't know if something has changed since then, but we don't really make much on
To
lives.
say for us small YouTubers, for us to make any money, guys, you have to watch um, the commercials, right? So whenever the video breaks and it goes on showing those advertisements and stuff, you have to watch a little bit of that in order for us to make some money. Because if you don't watch, then we don't really make any money at all. So you could get like thousands and thousands of views, but because nobody is watching those advertisements, you don't really make as much money on those. So I know sometimes the advertisements can be like a little bit long, so but if you watch just a little bit of it, before you like skip it or whatever, it's really good for us small YouTubers, right? For small channels. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope it was helpful, gave you some insight on like, what you can possibly make, because YouTube is there, the opportunity is there for everyone to make lots and lots of money. Like it's big, the platform is big enough for everyone. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please, please, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.